If you're a small business owner wondering if a logo is for you, or a designer looking to share the benefits of a logo with a client, then this video is for you. What's up designers, welcome back to Digifrog Designs. If you're new here, I'm Matt Roberts, brand identity designer and illustrator. Logo designs are everywhere we look these days, and I bet if you look around you right now, you'll be able to spot a few. They're on the clothes we wear, the phones we use, and even the packet of chewing gum that's sat in your car. It doesn't matter who we are, we can't get away from them, and they're ingrained into our life. These logos help us make some big decisions. From your next phone to your next computer or car, they influence us every day. But what's the purpose of a logo, and why is it important for your small business? Well, any business for that matter. Just a quick side note, it's also important to mention that a logo represents your brand, but it's not your brand. It's one element of the visual identity. And if you want to know a little bit more about why a logo is not a brand, you can check out my video on that. I'll drop a link to it in the description box below. Before we get started, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. We post new videos every Wednesday, helping you become a better designer. Let's take a look at 5 reasons why small businesses need a logo. Number 1, a logo can reveal your identity and story. Logos should be simple and memorable, but you also need to represent your business. For example, the logo for Beats by Dr. Dre is pretty simple at first glance, right? It's just a B in a circle with a name next to it. What story or identity does that represent, I hear you ask? Well, take another look. What if I were to tell you that the circle actually represents a head and the B letter form represents the brand's headphones? The idea behind this is to give the brand a personal touch, allowing customers to see themselves in the headphones. Number 2, brand meaning through colours. From calm and relaxing blues and greens to striking reds and oranges, there are many reasons why brands choose a particular colour scheme to identify them. Like most things in life, colours have an emotional and psychological effect when we as humans see them. These colours communicate exactly what the brand wants us to think when we look at them. Can you think of why brands like Nintendo, Coca-Cola, Red Bull all use red in their logos? It's not by chance. They use red because they want to give you a sense of excitement and fun. A clever use of colour can be the difference between your brand communicating a special emotion with your customer or turning them away in their tracks. By creating a meaningful logo with the correct use of colour, you can inspire and engage your customers. Number 3, having a logo can make you look more professional. If you don't have a logo for your business, you're probably using a generic font you found in Word one time. The problem with this is it's not engaging or unique to your business. Without a logo, you are faceless, plain and uninspiring. Is that really what you want? Probably not. Having a logo can actually give your brand weight and visual presence. The idea is to give your business an identity that people can associate to it. The purpose of this is to make you more professional and seem more trustworthy. Number 4, gives you a unique visual identity to help you stand out from the competition. The main reason it's important for your business to have a logo is that it gives you a unique identity, one that you can use to make your business memorable and stand out from the competition. This identity is what customers will use to identify your business. Your first logo doesn't have to be expensive, it just has to clearly represent what your business stands for. Once you have picked your logo and brand colours, you can use them on all of your marketing material. Number 5, invite new customers. This one may not be instantly obvious, but bear with me. Did you know that children as young as 3 to 5 begin to associate with logos on products? Let that sink in for a second. So from that age, we identify with logos and we identify them with a particular product or service. Over time, logos can appeal to people when seen on marketing material and urge people to find out more about the business. These associations last a lifetime. Can you imagine building something meaningful and lasting to help you reach new customers? From all of these points, it's clear that a logo design says a lot about your business, from creating a unique brand identity to telling your story in a visual and captivating manner, even as far as to give the impression of how professional and trustworthy your business is. All of these points help you reach your customers on a new visual and inspiring level, ultimately with a main goal in mind to drive more customers to your business. However, none of these are a substitute for building a brand's perception. Building a positive perception with the target audience is the most effective way to help your business succeed. So it's important to focus on finding out who your customers are and what they want, as they are the ones that ultimately define you. A logo is just a small part of a visual identity. If you want to know a little bit more about why a logo is not a brand, you can check out my video on that in the description box below. One final thing to close this video out. A poor logo implemented well is better than a perfect logo implemented badly. Thanks for watching designers. If you like this video, smash that subscribe button, give it a like, and also don't forget to ring that notification bell so you get notified every time we post a new video. Share this video with your friends on social. It really helps me reach more people, educating them on building better brands and showing them what actually goes into designing them. and shop the merch to support the channel and share your part of the DFD crew. I'll catch you next week, designers.